Tired of seeing this annoying error code 0X0003 pop up when you try to use Geforce Experience? Let's fix it, quick and easy. First, we need to restart the NVIDIA services. Go to your Windows search bar and type services.msc. A window will open showing all the services running on your computer. Scroll down until you find all the NVIDIA services like NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA Local System Container, NVIDIA Network Service Container and NVIDIA Telemetry Container. Right-click on each NVIDIA service, one at a time, and select Restart. If the Restart option is grayed out, choose Properties and change the startup type to Automatic. If restarting the services didn't work, we need to reinstall the NVIDIA drivers. Navigate to Settings, then click on Apps. Scroll down until you find all the NVIDIA drivers and software installed. Select all the NVIDIA software one at a time, and click Uninstall. Once you have uninstalled the drivers, go to the official NVIDIA website and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Run the downloaded installer. It's crucial to choose the custom installation option. Now select Perform a clean installation. This ensures all previous driver files are removed, preventing conflicts. Finally, restart your computer, and the error should be gone.